Hello, you imported a model and the symmetry is not right. Yes, because your model is not symmetric and the pivot is not the symmetry axis or plane. Here's an example. The first man is symmetric and the pivot and the symmetry plane are in the middle of the object. The second one, the pivot is here and the local symmetry is also here. And if you change the pivot like this, it doesn't change the symmetry plane because symmetry plane is an extra part. You can bring the pivot here, is okay, but if you want to change the symmetry plane, it's not possible to do it automatic. You have to go in the symmetry gizmo edit. Turn the gizmo edit on, and now you have to use a other tool to place your symmetry back to the middle of the face. I say like this, and now gizmo edit off, and now it's possible to sorry, I hide this mesh. And now when you use the gizmo and bring it back to the center and do here automatic pivot, the pivot stays here, and you have to adjust it manually. But now the symmetry plane should work when it's on local, not on world, I think. But it jumps back, I think. Then you have to adjust it again with the gizmo edit and bring it back. Yes, like this. Okay, that's it. Ciao.